Hello friends, today we are going to learn to draw stick figures. Whenever you are drawing a scenery, you draw mountains, house, you draw people, but you must be facing some difficulty drawing people, right? A boy or a girl. So today we are going to learn how to draw a human figure, a boy or a girl. So we'll learn how to draw a human figure by using simple stick figures or simply lines. So let's begin. First, we'll draw a standing figure. This is a circle or a head. Then we draw a small horizontal line. These are the shoulders. Then this is a body. See, all these are sticks or lines. Then we draw legs, hands. Isn't it simple? This is a standing person. Let's learn how to draw a walking stick figure. We again draw a head, then shoulder, the body. Whenever you're walking, both your legs fold, right? There, walking. Let's draw a running figure. A running figure is quite similar to a walking figure. The position of the legs change a little bit. The first foot will be straight. The second foot will bend a little. Hands. There. Doesn't it look as though the stick figure is running? So our third figure is a running stick figure. Let's learn how to draw a bending stick figure. All these figures are upright. The bending figure, the head will be slightly lower. See, all the standing, these are standing upright figures. But since you're bending down, your head will be below. So when you bend down, your back also bends. Then the legs also bend. And your arms are down because you want to pick something up. So suppose you want to pick up a basket which is kept down. So now, doesn't it look as though this figure is bending? Let's draw a jumping figure. So when you're standing on a table, suppose you're standing on this table. You are not supposed to stand on a table and jump down. That's very unsafe. But let's assume that you are standing on this table and you're jumping down from this table. So how will your body look? Will it be upright? No. It will be slightly bending the way we have just learned just now. So we will draw a head which is slightly lower. Your back will be bending. Your feet are also bending. See, you've just jumped. And your hands There. Doesn't it look as though this stick figure is jumping down from the box? So this is jumping. The last figure that we are going to draw is again a jumping figure, but then this is a happy jumping. How will you jump with happiness? A happy jumping figure. The head, body, and you're jumping with happiness. Your arms spread and you're jumping happy. This is happy jumping. Isn't it easy? Let's try it in the book.